Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the 2015 GMC Yukon? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you locate and understand every fuse easily. Engine Compartment Fuse Box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2015 GMC Yukon houses fuses and relays that protect and control essential engine, lighting, and cooling system circuits. It ensures safe power distribution and prevents electrical overload or damage. Instrument panel fuse box right side. The right side instrument panel fuse box in the 2015 GMC Yukon provides power protection for interior features such as entertainment systems, climate controls, and convenience accessories. It helps prevent electrical faults and ensures reliable operation of cabin components. Instrument panel fuse box left side. The left side instrument panel fuse box in the 2015 GMC Yukon safeguards circuits for driver-focused features like power windows, mirrors, lighting, and control modules. It ensures safe and reliable operation of essential interior functions. Rear compartment fuse box. The rear compartment fuse box in the 2015 GMC Yukon supplies and protects power to rear electrical systems such as the power liftgate, rear climate control, and trailer wiring. It ensures safe operation and prevents damage from electrical overloads. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools. Check for the correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching.